Hello guys, I am Umesh and today we are going to unbox Apple's latest and greatest, the iPhone 8. I have the space gray version and which is 64 GB variant. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing the iPhone 8. Let's first remove the plastic. Okay, nothing in there. Designed by Apple California. Okay. Quick start guide. SIM tray ejector tool. And some information. And yeah, Apple logos. Here we have the iPhone. Let's power it on. Okay. Let's keep it aside. And let's see what we have got inside the box. So we have got earphones, which is called earpods, and lightning to 3.5mm audio adapter. So this is gonna come very handy. There is a normal charger, pretty small one, and USB to lightning cable. So let's take a look on what we have got here. So this is the 4.7-inch screen as always, and this is the home button. This is the earpiece. These are the sensors. This is the front cam, and on side we have got power button and SIM card tray. In the bottom we have got speaker wheels and the lightning connector. On this side we have got volume rockers and the silent button. This is the main camera and the LED flash and the logo. So this is it. I think this is for now the unboxing, and I will use it, and I have been using my Xperia Z5 from past 2 years, and I haven't had any issues. But since I started using Jio on it, I am facing a lot of battery issues. So battery drain is a major issue, and it's the only reason I am switching to the iOS for now. I will see what challenges I am facing by switching from Android to iOS, and what are the differences are there between both. So stay tuned guys for this comparison video between Android operating system and the iOS, the challenges that we face, and also which is the better one, the Android or the iOS. So we'll do that. I will also do a in-depth review of this phone, and whether it is a right choice to buy it right now, or should we wait for at least 1 or 2 months. After MWC there will be more mobiles soon to come by other manufacturers like Sony, Samsung, LG. So we'll do that as well. We'll see that as well. So let's stay tuned guys by subscribing to the channel. If you have liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button down below, and yeah, please subscribe to the channel so that I'll be able to make more videos like this. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.